Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 3 presentation assembly. Yes, it's Friday the 26th of March and we're at the end of our spring term where we've been working at home and at school for these past 3 weeks, and these children have been amazing throughout that time. You'll see some fantastic children in a minute who are earning themselves certificates. Parents, please share this YouTube video link with aunties, uncles, grandparents. Let's spread it far and wide so we can really celebrate these amazing children because they have been amazing throughout this term. So let's do that, please. Please do share it as wide as you possibly can. Come on then, let's start with some amazing English stars. Look at these guys. We've got Christopher, we've got Lexi, Savannah, Lola, Milana, Mahir, Eva, and Max. Look at you guys. And I know Miss White's so impressed with all of the English that you've done at home and then in these 3 weeks. And she knows you've been working really hard at home because of what you've done in these 3 weeks. Huge congratulations, guys. Enjoy those certificates when you get to take them home today. Congratulations. Give them a little round of applause. Absolutely, they're big smiley faces. So they should be. Well done. Moving on. Look at this, Mr. Hackerman's English stars. So we got Oscar, and we got Heather, we got Cleo, we got North, Berin, and Alexis. Look at these guys again, working so hard on their English. That's absolutely at home and then at school. And again, Mr. Hackerman knows full well how hard you've been working at home. So really well done, guys. Huge congratulations. Give a big round of applause for these English stars. Thank you. Well done. Moving on. Reading stars. Now, these 4 children, not only will they get a certificate, but they're going to get a reading book as well. So they'll be able to read over Easter and carry on what they've been doing throughout this term, which is reading every single day and completing their reading records. I am so proud of you guys, so thank you for that. Thank you for keeping up. Thank you for persevering and carrying on and improving your reading. So we've got Mia, Mahir, Millie, and Pandora. Look at these guys. Look at those smiles. Just make me smile. Let's give them a massive round of applause. I really hope you enjoy your reading books, guys. So well done. Moving on. Oh, Mr. Hackerman. Look at these 4. Look. So we've got Byron, Thea, Jack, and Alea. Look at these guys. And again, similarly, reading every single day. Absolute superstars. So really well done. And again, I really hope you enjoy your reading books you get to take home today with your certificates. And maybe you can post some pictures on Class Dojo and share that with us so we can see you reading over Easter, because that'd be lovely to see. Give them a round of applause, everyone. Well done. Fantastic. Brilliant. Well done, guys. Moving on. Oh, look. We've got science, geography, and history. Look at these stars doing all those foundation subjects as well. So we've got Regan, we've got Mia, and we've got Ollie, Milana, we've got Fiona, Lexi, Angel, and Joseph, working really hard right across there with science and geography and history, which is phenomenal. Really amazing to see children just carrying on and not only, but really enjoying those subjects as well. Let's give them a massive round of applause. I think smiling faces as well. Well done, guys. Congratulations. Proud of you. Scientists, look at these scientists as well. Look, Mr. Ackerman's scientists, look at these guys. So we've got Nicodem, we've got Heather Rose, we've got Jack, and we've got Marshall. I know these guys absolutely loving science and the science that they are doing and then keeping up and working scientifically, asking questions, being inquisitive. They are amazing. Let's give them a round of applause. Well done. Big smiles on their faces as well. Well done, guys. Enjoy those certificates. Oh, look at these mathematicians. Look at these guys. Again, huge smiles on their faces. We've got Alfie, we've got Jessica, Jakisha, Mandy, Emily Ann, Summer, Milana, and Caius. Look at that. Jessica just makes me smile. You know, children smiling, loving being back at school, working so hard. And these guys clearly were doing maths while they were off as well, because they've just carried on throughout these 3 weeks and worked so hard. Huge congratulations, guys. Massive round of applause. Well done. And thank you from Mr. Allen for being so amazing. Keep it up. Mr. Ackerman's math stars. Look at these guys. So we've got Daniel, we've got Leah, Bailey, Alfie Jack, Rocco, Jaden, and Tyler. Look at that. Superb effort. And Tyler, who's only just joined us, earning certificates already. Well done, Tyler. In your first term, I am so proud of you, buddy, and working so hard mathematically. So brilliant work, guys. Keep it up. Keep doing a little bit over Easter as well, because you can do. I'm sure you can do. You'll find things to do. So keep doing a little bit over these holidays. Let's give them a round of applause. Well done, you math stars. Brilliant. Here we go. PE stars. These guys keeping fit, keeping active, helping with our mental health. I've spoken about this throughout this past year, really to help with our mental health, is carry on doing as much exercise as we can. Get out there, really enjoy the weather. It's going to be fantastic weather over this next week. I've had a look at the forecast going ahead. So let's get out there, do lots of walks and lots of exercise, everyone. Come on. So we've got Angel, we've got Jessica, we've got Jaden, Eric, Millie, Fiona, Eric, Esme, Charlemagne, and Khaleesi. Look at you guys. Let's keep getting out there, keep being fit. I know you've been working so hard on your PE lessons. It's been brilliant, and you're really enjoying your PE lessons as well. Come on, let's give them a round of applause. Well done, and let's keep ourselves active and fit over Easter as well. Not eating too many Easter eggs, hey? Come on. Here we go, look. Mr. Hackerman's PE stars. We've got Diego, Alfie Jack, we've got Abe, Tia Rose, Reese, and Marshall. Superstar. You can see them in their PE kits as well. Look, ready to go. Being fit, being healthy, and I know getting out and about and making sure they are being healthy as well. And the same message goes again over Easter. Not too many Easter eggs, please. Okay, in moderation. Come on, guys. Brilliant, well done. All right, here we go, look at that. Well done, everyone. All of you with year threes must be really proud of yourselves. I know I am. Let's give yourselves all a big pat on the back and a big round of applause. So well done, year threes. So proud of you. You're all amazing. You absolutely are. And here it is. Enjoy the Easter holidays. Yes, we break up today at 3:15. We'll see you in 2 weeks' time. Hopefully have a really safe and secure Easter holiday. And we will try carrying on as we've left off throughout the summer term. Until then, stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye now.